In today's video, I will walk you through how to host a Zoom meeting. Let's keep this simple and straightforward so you can get your meeting up and running. Start by making sure you're on the Home tab in Zoom. This is your main dashboard where you can quickly start or join meetings. If you don't see it immediately, look for the Home section along the top or side of the app. Once you're there, you're ready for the next step. Select New Meeting. As soon as you click it, Zoom will start a meeting right away and bring you into the host view. Your meeting window will appear, and you'll now be hosting the meeting. At this point, no one else is in the meeting yet because you haven't shared the meeting link. As the meeting opens, a small window will appear so you can choose your input and output devices. Input is the microphone you'll use to speak, and output is the speakers or headphones you'll use to hear everyone else. Select the microphone you want to use, whether it's your computer's built-in microphone or an external one. Then choose the speakers or headset you want to use for audio. If you plan to use video during the meeting, select the camera you want to use from the same window. If the audio doesn't sound the way you expect, switch to another microphone, speaker, or headset until everything is working properly. You can also take a moment to position your camera at eye level and check your lighting so you're clearly visible before anyone joins the meeting. Once your audio and video devices are ready, you can invite other people to join. At the bottom of the meeting window, click Participants. In the Participants panel, select Invite. When the invitation window opens, choose the option to copy the meeting link. The copied link includes everything your attendees need to join the meeting. Paste that link into your preferred communication method, such as a chat message or an email, and send it to the people you want to invite. Share the link only with the intended attendees. After you've sent the invitation, keep the Zoom meeting open while participants begin joining. As people enter the meeting, greet them as they arrive. Once everyone has joined, you're ready to begin your conversation. That's all you need to do to host a Zoom meeting. Start from the Home tab, select New Meeting, confirm your microphone, speakers, and camera in the device selection window. Then open the Participants panel, choose Invite, copy the meeting link, and share it with the people you want to join. Leave the meeting open while attendees connect, welcome them as they arrive, and you're ready to start your meeting. Thank you for watching.